Hi beauties, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, so if you're new here, you are highly and most welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a remedy that would whoop out those dark under eye. You know, dark under eye can actually make you look older than your real age. So if you're having darkness around your eye area, it's actually going to divide your skin color and people are just going to think that you're bleached. But sometimes it is natural, sometimes it is caused by some of those chemical creams you use, and sometimes it is also caused by sun, so excessive exposure of sun. So some of the things that you can do to prevent this is by exfoliating your skin and by taking much water, and plus this home remedy that I'm going to be showing you today. So to prevent a dark under eye, because when you have the dark under eye, it will definitely make you look old. You're going to be needing papaya, which is pawpaw, and in this papaya you're going to be needing the seed. The papaya meat itself is perfect for the skin, and the seed is going to help you to remove those darkness surrounding your under eye, and you're gonna look really glowing. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm going to cut this. I'm gonna cut just a little of this. Let me cut it this way. And this is the seed that we need. Alright, so this is what we need. The seed. So how we're going to be doing that is that we're going to be getting a bowl, and then you're going to be putting the seed into the bowl. Then we're going to mash and open all of the seed. You know, the seed is actually close with a little tiny bag, so we're going to mash and open it all up. So after mashing the papaya seed, I'm going to be adding just a little bit of water, and then we would have to stir. After that is done, then we'll have to sieve the juice out. So this is perfect, and now this is the juice from the papaya seed. So the next ingredient which is required is potato. Now potato actually contains a lightening property which helps to lighten up the dark under eye. It helps to remove wrinkles. It also helps to tighten up the skin because of the starchy content in potato, and it will also help to leave the skin looking super duper young. So we're going to be peeling this all up. Alright, so now I will have to be grating it. Now it is actually better for you to blend it, so that you can get out enough of the starch, because we're basically going to be needing a whole lot of starch in this. So to get the juice out, since we actually crate it, you're going to be needing a little bit of water, and then we're going to be sieving it out. So we're going to be pressing this and then we're going to be removing all of the juice. So this is the potato juice, which we're going to keep it until the starch actually settles down, because we basically need the starch from this potato juice. So we're going to keep it, and then we'll get a starch. Now the next ingredient we're going to be needing is vitamin C. Okay, now you can actually get this in the pharmacy. Yeah, and vitamin C helps so much for the skin. Obviously it helps to nourish the skin, and it also helps to maintain the skin complexion. Yeah, so what we're going to do now is to crush this vitamin C. So I have this small mortar, and then I'm going to be using that to crush it. Okay, so we have to crush it, and then you must make sure that you crush it really smooth. Okay, so that when you are applying it, it's just going to be really friendly. So take our time to crush it and let it be super duper smooth. Okay. Okay, so it's so smooth right now, and this is what we need. So I'm going to be turning this into the papaya seed juice, and then we'll stir. So the color is going to be looking somewhat orange, and then vitamin E oil is welcome here, okay, because this actually helps to increase the skin elasticity. Now it will help to tighten the dark under eye, and it will also help aid in lightening it up with the help of the vitamin C alongside with this vitamin E. It's perfect. So you need this a whole lot. So you can actually use the vitamin E capsule, or you use the vitamin E oil, which is this one. Okay, but this one is actually far more expensive than the capsule. So whichever one you choose to use is very perfect. So I'm going to be stirring this up, and then we're also going to be needing egg. Okay, this helps so much for the skin. It lightens up the skin, tightens a large pores, and it firms up the skin also. Okay, now with the help of the vitamin C and also E in it, and also with the help of the potato starch, it would help to lighten up those dark under eye, removing the dead skin around there, revealing a brighter and a more newer skin, therefore leaving your skin really youthful. So what we're going to do is that I'm going to be punching this egg just a little from here. So I'm going to be putting in just the whites. We don't need the egg yolk. Okay, so I just put a little of that, and that is perfect. Alright, so after putting that, then we'll have to stir. Now what we need now is to bring in the potato starch, and then we'll have to sieve out the potato juice just a little. Yeah, so here we have the starch. You can see that it settles below the plate. So we're going to be scraping that into this mix. Yeah, so after after putting all of that, then you would have to stir this. And this is what you need, guys. Yeah, so there's a 2 ways in which you can use this. Okay, I'm going to be showing you those 2 ways in the washroom, which is the bathroom. Okay, so let's go into the bathroom. Okay guys, so this is it, and how you're going to apply this, you can use the tip of your finger to just put this in those places where you likely be having the darkness around. Okay, put it around that place. This is actually very soft enough to go around anywhere. Okay, now to make this stay longer, you would be using a cotton wool. Yeah, so this is how you're going to be using the cotton wool. You're going to be taking just a little cotton wool, and then you're going to spread the cotton wool, and you're going to dip the cotton wool into the mix. And after doing that, then you bring it out, spread it. Okay, anything that you put under your eye, you have to refrigerate it, okay, so that it can be really cooling. Okay, so after you spread it, then you can put it under your eye, just like that. And you make sure that you keep it down really well. It's going to be very tight, just like it's tight right now on my under eye. You do the same thing on the other side, and you dip it into this mix. Squeeze the excess water out, and then you spread it. Okay, so after you spread it, then you can put it under your eye. Now this, you can sleep with this. Okay, you can actually make it this comfortable, because it's actually very comfortable right now on my eye. I can close my eyes, I can do anything. You can just put this on your eye and just be walking in the kitchen or just doing anything you want to do. This is very convenient, and it is not disturbing at all. Okay, it's actually going to help you to lighten and remove all of the darkness around that place. Okay, and also it's going to help to reduce the eye bag. That's if you're having eye bag around there. Okay, so this is how it looks like here and here. Okay, so you leave it, let it dry. When it dries, then you can remove it. Apply this every day, and your dark under eye is going to get faded. Okay, it's not just going to disappear, okay, because nothing just disappears on the skin. It goes little by little before you know it, the darkness there is gone, and your skin will be looking really youthful and glowing. Okay, so that's it, guys. It is as simple as that. You actually use that to, cover your eye and leave it just like I told you in the video, and your dark under eye is going to get faded. You know, it's actually not going to like disappear like woof. It's going to get faded little by little, and you have to be consistent, and you just have to give it just a little time, and the result is going to be so visible and so beautiful. So your face is going to be evenly, which means your face is going to have just one color, and that is actually going to make you look so beautiful and young. So if you do love this video, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share the video, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye guys.